Thank you all for coming here to join us in this unveiling of UTM Recording and Media Studio. UTM stands for Unity Through Music. Mayor, call Elsie, Terry George, yeah, to get some pictures with the boys in the studio.
I am delighted to be here as the 127th Lord Mayor of Leeds, and it's a great pleasure and to see a fantastic people together, opening this studio as well, and it's like a family here. And there's three things in the world that brings people together: sport, food, and music. And you have brought the music together, and that's why you can see so many diverse community here. And I'm really pleased to be here to officially open your studio. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you.
Thank you for everyone for inviting me. I'm happy to be here. I think this is a sick thing to have in Leeds. It's something that I feel like everyone's been talking about for so long, for years. We've always needed a studio. There's been a couple here and there, but there's not really been one like local where everyone's kind of welcome and it's like not just a set group of people that go or whatnot. So yeah, man, I think it's good that we've got a little spot now that we can all just come and make some good music, and yeah, man, hopefully we'll make a lot of tracks in this building. And yeah, man, I'm looking forward to hearing everyone's creations. So, yeah, man.
It is absolutely amazing, and of course the title says it all, Unity for Music, and that's what it does. Music brings so many people together, and I think that it's so important for the youth of today, of people that have an interest in music, because it touches so many people's hearts. It creates such an interest to people in the community, and we don't know what's going to turn out from this studio. We don't know if there's going to be the next stars of the world that come from here, because if you look back through history of music, people start on a small scale in communities, and it snowballs into things that are much bigger, and of course make Leeds, put Leeds on the map, put the importance of Leeds on the map. And of course, coming from a place of a community, there's no better place to start. I mean, we've got the producers here on the left hand side, and I was talking to them before, and they were saying that the passion that they have in this is more than anything that they have, and I'm sure that's the same throughout the community of people that want to get involved. The passion of music will be the driver of this, and I think that something like this is going to be the future of what Leeds is going to see a snowball of. I think we'll probably see more studios like this happening, and we really do deserve to see that. So a big round of applause to everybody who's been involved in this. Well done.
Vibing, making, creating, listen to it, feel it, use it. Oh, music vibing, turn it up a little louder. Tell me if you feel it. Oh, yeah. So I'm gonna say unity for music. Yeah, said I'm gonna say unity for music. Yeah, said I'm gonna say unity for music. Listen to it, oh.
We all coming from the west side, no seaside, making waves with these new vibes. There,